Let me tell you the incredible story of how bees make honey. It all begins with flowers, of course. Our buzzing friends are constantly on the hunt for nectar, a sugary liquid produced by flowers. Imagine them, tiny adventurers, flitting from bloom to bloom, extending their long straw-like tongues called proboscis to slurp up the sweet nectar. But here's where the magic really happens. This nectar isn't honey yet. The bees store the nectar in a special stomach called the honey stomach or crop. Inside this stomach, enzymes start to break down the complex sugars in the nectar into simpler sugars like glucose and fructose. Think of it as a mini chemistry lab inside the bee. Back at the hive, the worker bees regurgitate the nectar and pass it mouth to other worker bees. This process of regurgitation and passing the nectar around helps to further break down the sugars and also reduces the water content. They're essentially pre-processing the honey. Then, the bees spread the nectar out into the honeycomb cells. These cells are perfectly designed hexagonal structures made of beeswax. The bees then fan their wings furiously to evaporate more water from the nectar, making it thicker and more concentrated. This is a crucial step in turning nectar into honey. Once the honey reaches the right consistency, the bees seal the honeycomb cells with a beeswax capping. This capping protects the honey from moisture and contamination, allowing it to be stored for long periods. Honey is much more than just a sweet treat. It's a vital food source for the bee colony, especially during the winter months when flowers are scarce. It's packed with energy and nutrients that keep the bees alive and buzzing through the cold. But also, honey has a variety of uses for humans. From medicine to food, honey is an ingredient that has been used for ages. The importance of bees in honey making extend far beyond just providing us with a delicious sweetener. Bees are crucial pollinators. They help plants reproduce, which is essential for our food supply and the health of our ecosystems. Without bees, many of the fruits, vegetables, and nuts we rely on would disappear. So, next time you enjoy a spoonful of honey, remember the amazing journey it took and the incredible work of the honeybees. Their dedication and ingenuity are truly inspiring. That's the sweet story of how bees make honey. If you enjoyed this little adventure into the bee world, please give this a like, share, and subscribe to the Let Me Tell You channel for more fascinating science stories. See you next time. Goodbye.